Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let's see the crypto bubble today, maybe the daily. So wow, Pepe 54, almost 55 cents. That's nice. And let's go on the week. Well, it's even greener. Can you see that? Pepe at 93% up, almost 94. STX 75%. I mean, that's great. So, maybe let's take 5 seconds to enjoy this greenness on the screen, because we kind of need it, because yeah, in the last 2 weeks it was all red, and then now, no, finally, this is how it feels like a bullish trend or a bull market. I would say this is like a pre-bull market, so let's get used to this energy, and now let's uh, jump back in. All right, so I am going to do, again, a bullish count here. So we had a big wave one completed in 2021. We had a corrective movement A, B, and C. Now I can count in this C wave a 1, a 2, a 3, and maybe this is the 4. And if I zoom in once again, yeah, I mean, this is the end of the third wave, and this could be a W, X, Y. The Y has 3 waves, so we have a B, and a C. So maybe we are still doing this C for the Y, and after that we're going to have 5 wave down for the 5th wave. Once again, if I calculate the Y wave and I add it, was it the Y wave and add it to the X, we actually do reach this level in blue. That's the 1-to-1 ratio, and as you can see, we kind of reacted, unfortunately. We went here, we did it around mid-April, and then now we're back here. So now it's still possible, right? That this is the 1 and this is the 2, and we're going to do the 3, and after that the 4 and the 5, and making a new lower low. It's still possible. Well, I don't think we're going to go to 12,000. Maybe we're going to stick here at this line, maybe 14,000, something like that. So this is still possible. So let's just keep in mind that this, for a moment, it's really there, and we are at that box. All right. So now that we know that, we are aware of this situation, now it's going to be very important to see the price, where is it going? Because now we actually, you know what, let me put the previous higher high, and it's here. I'm going to put it in green, maybe too much green there. Let's see, yeah, okay. So we need to beat this level now for a moment. Let me go on the 1 hour now. Okay, so as you can see, we did, so now I think I'm going to take out this yellow count, because clearly now it's the green count, the one Bitcoin for the moment is following. As you can see, I need to adjust here. This is the 3, and ideally the 4 should go around here. So as you can see now, we reacted a little bit, and we're going kind of on the side. So it means wave 3, it's done. And maybe this is the A, this is the B, and we're doing the C. It could even be possible that the C wave is finished. For a moment though, I didn't get the ideal retracement. Did we even touch it? Just to be sure that I am very accurate. That was good. And that's also okay, yeah. So we didn't touch the trend yet. I mean the Fibonacci retracement ideal for a wave 4. So ideally we should go to 29,048, give and take, but we can just, you know, go to the 29,704 and would be perfectly in line and okay. Now another way to calculate that retracement would be take an extension. So we take the end of the wave 1 and this is the wave A. We didn't use it. Okay, and this is the end of the wave B, and usually would be the 1-to-1 ratio. Let me enlarge that maybe a little bit. Okay, so now if we do that, sometimes, you know, well, usually wave A and wave C are going to be the same length, so we're going for the 29,572. So as you can see, we're about yeah, near the, we are in this little box. So I would say that when many estimation of price overlap in a box, more likely we should be reaching this level. So yeah, so I'm leaning more for this little square here, which is overlapping the yellow count Fibonacci retracement and this blue 1-to-1 ratio. So, but we never know, right? It can be that, you know, it just went here and then now it's going to skyrocket because it's so bullish and we have so much momentum in Bitcoin. So yeah, there isn't much to add since the last video. Just want you to be aware that now this is very critical point for yeah, the bullishness of discount, because up to now we have one wave up, we have a corrective wave 2, and now we're making the third wave. But now if we start to reverse, then it means this is not bullish at all, this is a corrective and we're going to go lower, right? So we really need this 5-way up to confirm that the trend is reversing and that this is not a corrective movement and that we're focusing more on the downtrend side. So yeah, this level is so important because it's overlapping the wave 4 for the bear count, and now that point it's vital for a fourth wave, to make the fourth wave short term and make that very important fifth wave. So yeah, this is one of the most important levels of this year of Bitcoin, and yeah, very exciting moment, I would say. Okay, now let me see. Well, for sure we skyrocketed so vertically that look at this RSI, it's amazing. So that's why price is recovering a little bit, taking a rest. Let's go on the daily chart now. Daily chart, as you can see, we you know, that's crazy. We're already in the oversold area, but as you can see before, we can be in a oversold for a while and then there is no problem. Look at the momentum, we're getting even longer weeks or candles, so that's, you know, it's very good. So I would say we still have plenty of fuel to make this fifth wave. Once again, we need to beat the $31,000 because this was the previous high that we did in mid or 20 of April. Also, if I go on the daily chart, you know, there are some people that they trade more patterns. So you can see that you know, we are forming, maybe it's a cup. Can you see it? It's really a nice cup. So the way to calculate that, now let's say a trend. So if you take the height of this cup let's put it here, and then you take it and you put it on top here. It's going to bring us about to 44,000. So, and I'm being very conservative because I could say that the cup start here and we could go even higher, right? If I put it here, it goes to 47,000. So yeah, that's another perspective. So you see how many bullish things that we have for a moment. It's phenomenal. So we need to focus as well on the bearish count and the bullish count. And once again, this level is so important now because either it is going to validate this cup and maybe we are going to skyrocket and have an amazing fifth wave, or we are going to reverse and that could be once again a 1 and this is the 2 and we're going to do unfortunately a very impulsive movement to the downside for a third wave. And now just before I leave, I wanted to calculate the fifth wave length for the short term. Another way to calculate it would be that we take the length of our first wave here, and then we add it to what we think up to now it's the fourth wave, and so that you can see that we should go around about 31,894. So that's also very good. And since we almost reached the 2.272 level, very likely that yeah, we can reach maybe the 3x at $32,000. Yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then let's hope that today is going to be a very nice day. Okay, bye.